I will not sit here and beg for my life. It belongs to you. And you. And you. I just want you to understand what has happened to me in here, in all the time I have had to think about what I have done. This place, these people, have helped me see I am a better person. Better. This place, these people, have helped me see that. If my death brings you peace, I understand that. But if you decide to let me live, I promise I will never, ever hurt anyone again. I would if I could, but I know I can't change the past. Whatever you decide, whatever, I just want you to know how very sorry I am for what I took from you.